In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Searching for information in Microsoft Teams can really streamline your workflow and help you find what you need quickly. Let's get started. First, the first step is to sign in. Open the Microsoft Teams website or launch the application on your device. You'll need to log in with your account credentials. This usually involves inputting your email and password associated with your Teams account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Teams dashboard, where all your channels and chats are accessible. Next, let's locate the search bar. After signing in, look towards the top of the Teams window. You'll find a search bar prominently displayed there. It's labeled simply enough, so it should stand out. This is your command center for searching through everything in Teams, so make sure you know where it is. Now let's enter your query. Click inside the search bar. It should become active. Here, you will type in the specific keyword, phrase, or even the file name you're looking for. Try to be as precise as possible with your wording to help the search function yield the best results. Once you've entered your query, it's time to execute the search. Simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will initiate the search process, and Microsoft Teams will start scanning through all your content to find matches related to what you typed. This brings us to the next step, which is reviewing and filtering your results. Microsoft Teams will display a list of search results, showing items from your chats, files, and any mentions across your channels. It can be a lot of information at once, but don't worry, you can narrow it down further. Use the available filters to refine your search results. You might see options to filter by channel, by person, or even by a specific time frame. This way you can quickly hone in on exactly what you're looking for. So to recap, you start by signing into Microsoft Teams, then locating the search bar at the top. After that, you enter your desired query and hit Enter to execute your search. Finally, utilize the filtering options to drill down to the most relevant search results. By mastering the search feature on Microsoft Teams, you can save valuable time and make your collaboration more effective. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy searching in Microsoft Teams.